Hey everyone! If you're interested in bringing 2D characters to life in real time using your webcam and mic, this guide will walk you through how to download Adobe Character Animator, a powerful tool, completely free for 14 days. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, or laptop, it's a fantastic opportunity to explore its capabilities. Let's break it down. First, head to the description and click the link provided. That link takes you straight to Adobe's official page for the business trial of Character Animator. Once you're there, select Start Free Trial. You'll have two options when it comes to plans: monthly if you want flexibility and no long-term commitment, or yearly, which gives you a better monthly rate if you plan to keep using it. After choosing a plan, either sign in or create a free Adobe account. A payment method is required to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the 14 days are up. Just set a quick reminder so you're covered. It's a straightforward process. Next, download the Creative Cloud app if you haven't already done so. Once it's installed, open it, search for Character Animator, and click Install. That's it. For the next 2 weeks, you'll now have full access to Adobe Character Animator and all its pro features: motion capture, auto lip sync, live streaming integration, and more. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and creative tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and get ready to animate like a pro!